Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Beauty Junkees. I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys a how to apply liquid foundation, brush versus sponge. And also I'll be sharing a little get ready with me as I finish and complete this look that I have on. I hope you enjoy this video and let's go ahead and do my makeup. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off by opening these items. So this one is the Pro Makeup's blending sponge, and we have a pink one and we also have a black one. So this black one looks like this. It's very spongy and I like the shape of it. Then it's this pink one and it looks like that. It's just super bright pink and also the same shape. I think this one is a little bit more squishy. Okay, and then this is the flat top kabuki brush and it just looks like that. This is super soft. So I'm gonna be trying out half of my face with the kabuki brush and then the other half with one of these sponges. So we're gonna see the difference, which one we kind of like better, if there's a difference or not, or if they both look great. I'm gonna go ahead and use my current foundation, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. I'm gonna be using my Smashbox primer that I've used for quite some time all over my face, so the base is set. Okay, so this feels super soft. I'm gonna apply a little bit on here. Where's my foundation? Oh wow, do I even have anything left? The brush does feel very soft. I really like that. It is not stiff, which is like a huge thing I look for in brushes, because it's just stiff brushes are just not it. Like they just make it so much harder for me to blend anything on my face and everything like that. So I really like how this is just so soft. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the brush. I just tried to blend it completely. It didn't really take that much work, but that's what that side looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually use one of these sponges. So for this, I'm actually gonna go ahead and try the black one. Okay, so I wet the sponge a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation on here. This does definitely feel like a more stiff sponge. I really love that like it has the pointiness here, because I can really like go in here and blend under my eyes. I like to tap just because I feel like it makes it easier for me to really have a more natural look versus like just spreading it all over. I used to use a sponge pretty much like for foundation every single time, including like concealer and everything, but it's just something that I just stopped doing it and found it easier to use a brush. But this actually makes it not hard. Okay, so this is how it looks. So this side is the one with the sponge and then this side is the one that I use with the brush. I would love to know if you see a difference right now and which side you prefer, which you think is the best. I'm definitely going to give you my thoughts about which one I think is kind of one that I'm most likely to use more. So I'm going to share my thoughts about these in the end. So I will continue and share with you guys what I'm going to use next. I'm going to use the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. So next I'm going to use this Amazonian clay and I'm going to go ahead and apply some bronzer all over my face. Then for blush, recently I've been going back and forth between like the Rare Beauty blush, this one, and also the Fenty Beauty one. So I just kind of go back and forth between them, but I do like this one just because it's just much easier to apply, because you can literally just go in with your finger and apply it. But I feel like I haven't done like a little get ready at all in like so long. It's just been kind of like not something I'm not sure if you guys like watching get ready with me videos. Like let me know in the comments if you do like watching them, because that way I know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows with this Rare Beauty eyebrow gel. Even up until now, I feel like sometimes I just don't fill in my eyebrows correctly, to be honest. It looks easy to like apply and such, but I'm not sure I'm always doing this right, you know? So I usually just try to keep it natural and just apply some gel and then I'm good to go. I'm gonna curl my lashes. This has been a go-to for I think almost a few months now. I definitely want to try the Rare Beauty new mascara, but currently I'm using the Lash Princess one from Amazon. And I'm going more for like a fall kind of theme style, so I really want to use some oranges from these Rare Beauty palettes. So I have this one right here, which I have a full video on. I don't know why.
I literally did my mascara before I did my eyeshadow.
You know, this is why multitasking is just not my thing. I should not have done my mascara before I did my eyeshadow. I am so paying attention to what I'm doing right now. I love this pink. I think it's so beautiful. And all these colors on this palette are just incredible. I am so obsessed. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use this highlighter. This is the Rare Beauty one, and I'm just gonna add it on the cheekbones right here. It just makes it so much easier. Honestly, like, I just go ahead and blend with my fingers because it's just so easy. I'm gonna use my MAC lip liner. I honestly have had this one for so long. I think by now I should like stop using it, but I don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty lip gloss, and this is honestly just the one that I use
every single time.
This is the shade Nearly Apricot. Highly recommend. Like, this color is just, I mean, look at it. It's just so beautiful. It's literally so pretty. I love it. I love the other shades as well, but I think this is just honestly the one that I keep in my purse like 24/7. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm so excited to share with you guys my thoughts now. Okay, so first I want to talk about this brush. So I am really impressed and happy with this. It's super easy to hold and grab. It's literally just has great grip, nothing to worry about that. It has this shape where it's like this and then it goes wider up here, which I like because you can really grip on this right here in the middle. I love that it's soft. It's
honestly just so soft.
I really love how soft it is. I think this might be one of my softest brushes. Like, nothing literally falls off. Like, none of these little bristles have fallen off or anything at all, which gives me a sense that this is really great material and going to last me a long time. So I love that. In terms of the look of how it like applied my foundation, this I feel like really set my foundation really nicely. Now I want to talk about the sponge. I do not like that it is stiff. It's just not, I'm not a fan of stiff sponges. I feel like the positive with this is the fact that it has this pointiness here where I can really go into the inner corners versus, you know, a brush I can't really do that with. So I actually like the combination of using both a lot. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you're having a beautiful day or night. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and also subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would truly help out my channel. And also thank you so much to Beauty Junkees for reaching out to me and collaborating with me. I will also add my coupon code on the screen as well as down in the description box so you guys can shop some fun brushes and sponges to apply your makeup. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.